With the easily adjustable handles on the Bernina Q24, long arm quilting is made so much more comfortable. I realized this again when I decided to quilt using the optional channel locks. The channel locks on a long arm machine are usually used when one wants to tack one's quilt to the batting and backing, or to sew a perfectly straight tacking line and use that as a guide to place one's quilt nice and straight before quilting starts. I use the channel locks in a different way, as I am constantly looking for different ways to use my Bernina Q24. I also always look for new ways to create my artworks. Here I use the channel locks to create the vertical lines of a grid that I measured, and then the horizontal lines. One has to remember to lock the channel locks at the back. I stitch the vertical lines first, and I cover the whole area very patiently, stitching the vertical lines, knowing that those lines are going to be absolutely 100% straight. Then I do the horizontal lines in the same way, but using the horizontal channel locks. Once my grid is finished, I use applique paper and foil to create a reversible checkerboard art quilt.